Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome friend. Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about another interesting scholarship program that is related to Ireland government scholarship program. The Government of Irish Scholarship 2022, that is also a fully funded program. The application are open to apply for Government of Irish Scholarship 2022. Irish Government Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship for all international students and European students to pursue full-time bachelor, master and PhD degree program in Irish universities. The Government of Irish is one of the famous scholarships in the world. Ireland is ranked in the top 10 for higher quality education. This scholarship is funded by the Irish Higher Educational University in any academic discipline. Under this program, 60 scholarships will be provided. All the expenses will be covered by the Government of Ireland Postgraduate Scholarship Program and by the Department of Further and Higher Education. Courses will be conducted in English, and Ireland is in Europe. There is no age limit for the Ireland Scholarship Program. And one more interesting information I always share with you, that is the capital of Ireland is Dublin. So guys, if you are new in my channel, so please like, subscribe my channel for further international scholarship program, internship program and exchange program. Thank you so much. So let's have a look on here some details about Government of Irish Scholarship 2022. The scholarship country is Ireland. The funded by Government of Ireland. The courses level are bachelor, master and doctorate. Eligibility region European Union and all other nationalities. So whether you are belonging from any corner of the world, you can apply for this prestigious scholarship. The deadline is 25th March 2022. The most important thing is deadline. So you have to upload all your documents before the 25th March. Available fees and wages. The aim of the Irish Research Council Government of Ireland Postgraduate Scholarship Program is to support for intern to pursue full-time degree, masters or doctorate in any discipline. Science, technology, engineering, mathematics, arts, humanity and social sciences. Financial coverage value of the scholarship. The Government of Ireland scholarship for the international student will cover the following expenses of the participant given below. Students who are successful will receive a €10,000 stipend for 1 year study, a full fee waiver of all tuition and other registration costs at the higher education institution. Who can apply? 1 year of a third master degree program, 1 year of a research program, that is 1 year of a 2 year research masters, and 3 to 4 years PhD program. The final year of an undergraduate programs are also eligible for this program. Eligibility criteria. All international students from outside European unions can apply for this scholarship program. The successful scholars are to commence study in September or October 2022. Possessive excellence academically, personally, professionally, creatively. Excellent communication skills. Extracurricular activities, for example, humanitarian work, politics, local, national, international, arts and sports. The deadline is 22nd March 2022 and the selected students will be notified about the result by 1st June 2022. So how to apply? Visit the official website of Irish Government Scholarship Program. So this is the official website, so you can read all this information from here. Application can be submitted with the online application portal, so you simply click on here. So as I just started my application form, I'm also applying for this prestigious scholarship program. So first of all, you have to create your account. After that, you can log in and go to your profile, edit profile. So here, welcome to Government of Ireland International Education Scholarship Scheme. You have to put your first name here, your last name here. Do you have a final or conditional offer from Irish University or institution? Yes. So you have to first of all take an acceptance letter from Irish University. Do you have an offer of study as a non-European paying student? Yes, I already have. So save changes. After that, you have to add another. So here you can put all your information and upload all your documents. First of all, your personal information data, your application eligibility, and your details of offer, academic and work history, and personal statement and referees, and declaration and signature of application. So guys, this is a simple method how you can apply for the Government of Irish Scholarship Program. Guys, hope so you enjoyed this video and you learned that how you can apply for this Ireland Government Scholarship Program. The purpose of my side, the making of this video, I done it. No, it's your turn to apply for this prestigious scholarship program. There are 94 days remaining to submit this No, today is 21st December 2021, so there are still 94 days are remaining. So please guys, hurry up, don't waste your time, apply as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys, like, share and subscribe my channel. You all have a take care.